About the only way I get to people is I just go out and bulk up and tell them, hey, I'll put my stuff up against anything you got. I know you're used to doing it this way, but try this. You'll see from day one that it's a different product. It's a sturdy product.
My sales have doubled in the past 3 years, so I would say they're buying into what I'm saying.
So we're spreading the word, and VDOT is continuing to add on. We're shipping to 109 area headquarter locations.
They don't believe it really works in water. I take water and we go fill holes up and prove it to them.
The product's been talking for itself, right? We initially got it out there and they're loving every aspect of it, and it's holding up to their standards.
The video helps a lot, but they want to see the people they're talking to using it and working.
We give out sample bags. We're like, hey, try it out. We want to show you that the product holds up. We stand behind it, and then they never look back.
Once they've switched over to our product, I've had none of them even question it going back